Hi everyone, I am Carrie Lendo. I am a vintage dealer and a comedian, and I like to dress up like a 1960s stewardess in my spare time. Hi, got my little dog kerchief on. I am here to share with you a mystery box. I got a mystery box. This is a box of vintage jewelry I got off Goodwill. I did see one, I could see a picture. I know some of it that's in there. You know, basically they're like, here's a little preview image, but couldn't see everything. Some of it was in a bag. Hopefully we got some good stuff. Here we go. Okay, we got this big old bag. It reads, vintage inspired costume jewelry, and it's 5 pounds. Let's go look at what we got here. Lots of little baggies. Baggie number 1. What do we got? We're starting off with a little butterfly hat pin. This is a little hat pin. This is good because I got some hat pins in the other lot, so I'm just going to put them all together. Sell them as a lot. What else? Oh, we got a few hat pins. Few hat pins in here. Oh, this one's cool. It's a locket. This one's kind of got like a Victorian morning pin. M-O-U-R-I-N-G. And it's a little empty locket inside. And neither of these had maker's marks. But that's good. We'll put all our hat pins together. This is cute. It's a little horseshoe with a bee. Once again, no maker's mark, but maybe we'll Google it, see if we can find out who it is. Next we have a Martini Glass. Okay, this is probably not something else. Probably won't sell this one. It's a little Martini Glass. Go back to Goodwill. When she came. Next we have a Hummingbird. I don't know if I'll sell this one, but maybe I might end up putting it in a lot with some other ones I got in the other lot. Okay, what is this? I don't know what's going on. Oh, I think it's a barrette. It is flexi8.com. I probably won't sell this. I think it goes through there. Like that. Whoop, whoop. Not gonna sell you. Ooh, next we have a cameo. Cameos always do well. Hopefully we'll have a few. You know what we'll do. We'll sell them in a lot. And last and baggie number 1 is one of these little, oh, it has some writing on it. What's it say? Signature Classics. All right, this is a little kind of plasticky retro style. Might put that in a lot or just drop it and break it. No, did not break. Baggie number 1 done. Baggie number 2. This is a nice, like, fake carbone rose. Yeah, maybe we'll have like a Victorian lot of brooches. Oh, we got another one. Signature Collectibles. Little dove. Big old kind of painted metal, no maker's mark. Iris. I might put that with, got a bunch of flowers in the other bin. Woo, this is fun. Ooh, this one's like an Art Deco-y looking one. No maker's mark once again. I hope some of these have maker's marks. This would look good, like right in the center. There we go. We got a little accent. It's not straight, but whatever. We gotta keep moving. We got 5 pounds of jewelry to go through. This is just a little cheapy costume brooch. We'll probably just donate this. Teet. Next we have, very similar. Oh, but this one's marked. Hey, oh, it's marked sterling, but that's not sterling. I don't think that's sterling. I don't think that's sterling. And by that, I mean this guy. We got another goth flower. Oh, I had one like this in the other lot. This is a big old black flower. And we got, oh, I had one like this in the other lot as well. I'll probably combine this with a similar one I got in my other mystery lot. So that's nice. This is kind of like a Victorian revival, Art Nouveau. Hey, do I know the difference? When I Google it, I do. Little fake gemstone in the center. It's cute, like that. That would look good right here as well. Another iris. I'm really rolling in the iris brooches these days. Oh, this one's nice because it's also a pendant. This is a big old, I don't know if that's real gemstone or fake, but it's got a pendant in the back. Little loop. Wear it either way. Next, we have another flower that reads Cerrito. We'll see. I like that. Okay, next bag. What do we got? A lot of brooches so far. Well, it's not all brooches. Spoiler alert. This is a clip-on earring that is very dirty. So there's probably a match somewhere, but look how dirty that is. No, thank you. Maybe it's a shoe clip, though. Could be a shoe clip. Listen. Next we have a butterfly. Made in West Germany. Okay, that's cool. That places it pre-80. Butterfly. And I'll show you the back. Not really, needs to be cleaned. That's what I'm trying to say. We got, okay, so these are clip-on earrings. There's more clip-on earrings. No maker's mark. But I like these because they kind of look like cherries. I'll probably put the clip-ons in a lot. Hopefully one of them's marked. There's another clip-on earring. And more clip-on earrings. This one is Sarah Coventry. Okay, Sarah Coventry. She doesn't bring in the big bucks. Sarah Coventry isn't a super high-end vintage brand, but it is a vintage brand. It is nice to have, you know, a brand. Oh, it's a full set. It's a full set. Yay. Okay, so we got more. We got the big old brooch and the matching earrings. So it's nice that it's a set. Like I said, Sarah Coventry isn't like super high-end or anything, but she is a brand that people like. We got some screwback clip-on earrings. No maker's mark, but these have really nice this one has a really nice mid-century style. I'll probably put the nicer ones up in a lot and the not so nice ones either in a lot or I'll donate it. Here's another pair, the nice little mid-century. I'll show you one. I love all these little clip-on. I used to not be able to sell clip-on earrings at all, and then when I started selling eBay, they started to go faster. This is a little hook. What is this? I don't know if that's supposed to go like on a dress, like a dress clip, or if it's a bookmark, or if it is supposed to go on a pendant. But this is like a little, I don't know, vaguely Asian, kind of mid 60s kind of appeal to it. This is like a fake, oh, this is cute. It's like a fake crochet. Oh, it's missing its, oh, okay, so it's like a fake crochet. It's really unique, but you see that he's missed it. It's a little gemstone or a little accent or pearl. So, I don't know. Might not do anything with that since it's broken. Wah wah here. Oh, this is signed. Looks like it's Chun. C-H-U-N. Looks like it's a little hand-painted heart. We'll see. I don't know how much, little wood hand-painted brooches get, but she is very sweet looking. I want to put these all on. I might put her on too. We got another one of these like painted goldy brooches. Maybe I'll put them together. They're like almost nice looking, but also slightly cheap looking. We'll see. The good news is I have a lot of things, so I can just start with the nice things and then, if I need some more inventory, put it on. If I'm not, I'll just donate them. Another cameo. This is good. I'll definitely make a cameo lot. A little lady there. No maker's mark. What a fancy back. What a fancy backside she has. Another one of these. I think they're shoe clips. I think that's what that is. Put them on your pumps. Oh, another hat pin. I'll put this in a lot. Even though it's a little damaged. Not damaged. It's like dirt. Schmuck. Dirt. Schmutty. Those aren't words. Okay. We have another little mid-century earring. This is signed Coro. Feather. I like those. Those are nicer than some of the Coro pieces. Silver, too, which a lot of times they're just like the flashy cheap gold. There's its partner. Did we see this one? No, we didn't see that. Oh, this is Listener. Listener's good. Slightly more high-end or more collectible than some of the other ones. Listener did a lot of like icy rhinestone type things. Ugh, this one's dirty too, though. Gross. I mean, I know you can replace those, but it's extra work. Here's an interesting, oh, it's a little bonnet. Oh, this is great. Cottage core. People still like cottage core? I hope so, because here's a little bonnet brooch. A little bee in your bonnet. We got a very cheap clip-on earring. This I'll just donate. See, I mean, it's not, I'd say it's cheap because look at all that glue you can see. Here is some matches to some, oh, I think this is Coro. Is this Coro? I'll have to look. It's not marked Coro, but it still might be. It looks like very early Coro. You know, I like this because it's definitely older than some of these pieces, like 40s, 50s. Vintage inspired. That's flat out vintage. Here's another little fancy brooch. I like this one. This is like a faux red coral kind of thing going on. Nice little statement brooch. We got more bags. This is a compact. Hello, 1960s Stuart is calling. We got a mirror inside. A little kind of bling. Probably won't sell that. Although it's got like a cool Y2K vibe going on. But just not something I normally sell. We got just patent pending. We have another mid-century earring. This one does look pretty old, pretty older than some of those 60s, 70s ones. So put this at the 40s, 50s. I like this one. The problem with clip-ons, if they're not signed, I have such a hard time moving them. Unless they're like sterling, even when they're sterling. We got another clip-on. This one is Bush, B-O-U. Sounds familiar. I don't know off the top of my head the brand, so I'm going to learn a little bit. That's nice. It's always nice to learn. Nice little white rose. Definitely a saleable piece. We got the match to that earring. Oh, here we go. Here's another one. Probably the same brand as that red one. So put those in a lot. More hat pins. Yay. Oh, it's another locket hat pin. That's cool. Another little hat pin. But then, put your sweetheart in there. A little spot for Brian Austin Green. This is a floral brooch. No maker's mark. Probably just donate it. Unless I do one giant lot of the stuff I don't want. Here is some fancy earrings. No maker's mark. These are kind of look like they're probably from, I don't know, late 90s, early 2000s. Here is just a little cheapy floral brooch. We'll see. We got some more screwback earrings. No maker's mark, but nice enough to put in a lot. I'll put them in a lot. Just a patent pending. Nice big chunky one. Put that in a lot. This has no maker's mark, but it's pretty. I'll probably sell that. Oh, is it broken? No, the paint's worn off. We'll see. I might sell this on its own. Just kind of a very unique. We got another clip-on. No maker's mark. Might just donate that. Just a little plain. We got a lot of clip-ons. I don't need that many. Oh, here is some matches. This one is marked Germany. Oh, that's nice. You'll find these like West Germany, German pieces pretty collectible. Not super huge money makers, but collectible. Well, the other rose. This is, I don't think I showed you, just a little rhinestone clip-on. I bet this is a set. A lot of these came in sets back in the day, like mid-century kind of. The necklace, the earrings, the brooch, the clip-ons. This is just a little rhinestone brooch. We'll put her in a lot, probably. Ooh, we got another kind of grandma, I say grandma in a good way, kind of statement clip-on. Those are nice. But, like I said, no maker's mark. So, not a huge money maker. When I say not a huge money maker, I mean, the unsigned ones I'll probably put in a lot of like 4 or 5 and hopefully get like $25 for the whole lot. This one just says patent pending, but this is a nice one. These are really nice, even though they're not super high end. No maker's mark, but these are really pretty. These I might try to sell on their own. Another cameo. Always love the cameos. Might be able to do multiple cameo lots. All right, here's another kind of matching pin. I don't know. You see that a lot. I don't know why they sold matching pins. Is it like something you'd put on your lapels? Does anyone know? If you're watching, let me know with a comment. I appreciate it. This is another nice, you know what I'm talking about, clip-on. Next we got, you guessed it, another rhinestone clip-on. No name, no name. We already saw you. You're a match. You're a match. You're a match. Okay, here's another one. These are nice. No maker's mark. These are I think these are magnetic. This is a set. Little Butterfingers over here. Well, there's another one, but I like. These are big. They almost look like, I don't know, some kind of leaf. This isn't a listener. We saw this one already. No, this is a different listener. I like that. I might put the listeners together or sell them on their own, depending on comps are and just how weighed down I am by clip-on earrings. This is a little unsigned brooch. Pretty, but unsigned. This is a little matching bird for that other one. So, well, maybe we'll put them in a set. This one's in a little better shape. Okay, I think we saw both of you. Yes, the other listener and another unsigned. Okay, so that was mostly clip-on. We got, this is just one necklace. Oh no, it's a set. I remember this from the photo. Oh, we got some more clip-ons. I guess these go on the set. There's no maker's mark, but I like this. This is fun, like 70s, 80s costume jewelry. We got a lady. We got matching earrings, and then these were in there. I don't know. I don't think they really match. They're not the same material, but could be clip-on earrings or could be shoe clips. But yeah, there's the lady. Like her. We have 2 more bags. I think we're moving on to mostly necklaces now. After taxes and shipping, I think I paid $150. Okay, we got just kind of a big old statement necklace. Big old pearl necklace, and then it's also got, you can pin her down, as you see. Next we have a bunch of cheap pearl necklaces that I probably won't sell. Just too many of those online and not super high quality. We got the last bag. So far this lot is okay. Didn't really find anything. Like, I was hoping to find like a Vendome. Just something that's worth a little bit more money costume jewelry wise. But we still got this little guy. This I did not see at all. This was bagged up in the photo. There might be some pewter in there. Some fun. There might be something in here.